mission pacifying the allies has been started by the UPA. The Prime Minister is now sending a team of its senior ministers to Chennai to pacify M. Karunanidhi, the DMK patriarch. In fact, Defence Minister A.K. Antony, P. Chidambaram, the Finance Minister, and Ghulam Nabi Azad, who is in charge of Tamil Nadu, will be leaving for Chennai at 2 p.m. Let me go across to our senior editor, Javed Ansari. Javed, the government is caught between a hard rock and a sea. Really, will coalition compulsions decide on which way the government will go, even on foreign policy?
Well, indeed it will, and sadly, this has happened, this is likely to happen again because there is a serious crisis facing the government. If Mr. Karunanidhi decides to withdraw support, then this government is all but doomed, and therefore the government has pulled out all the stops. Mr. Finance Minister, Defence Minister, and Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, the three senior most functionaries, are now flying down to Chennai to try and placate, woo Mr. Karunanidhi and allay some of the concerns, because this is a very serious crisis. If Mr. Karunanidhi decides to walk the talk, then this government, I'm afraid, will be reduced to a minority.
Javed, we are getting some more breaking news. We are going to come back after taking a look at the next bit of breaking news we are getting. The DMK sources have told Headlines today that they are not satisfied with the Congress reaching out to them. They want the Congress to make its stand clear on the issue of Sri Lanka and the crimes committed during the fag end of the civil war. Priyam Vada is now joining us with more details on that. Priyam Vada, a team from Delhi is reaching Chennai by this evening, but clearly the DMK continues to put that extra bit of pressure on the UPA so that they are going to take a decisive decision soon itself.
Well, my sources in the DMK are confirming that DMK chief is not satisfied with just the announcement of three senior Congress leaders coming to meet him to pacify him for this particular issue. The DMK chief is very clear. Today is the last day. Just a couple of hours left more for India to influence US in bringing about amendments in the resolution. But if that doesn't happen, DMK chief has made it clear that he's going to come out of the alliance, because for strategically, politically also, it's the right time for the DMK to step out much ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. So it's a very cleverly, well thought out, calculated move by the DMK. So most likely, my sources are telling me in the DMK's ministers will send their resignation by tomorrow or the after.
Alright, so the DMK continuing to put pressure on the UPA government, even as three of the senior ministers from Delhi are headed to Chennai. By 2 p.m. they'll be leaving Delhi to go and meet M. Karunanidhi.